Want a powerful pest repellent straight from your kitchen? Just combine toothpicks with garlic, and here's the twist. Dip the toothpicks in neem oil first. This simple hack creates a natural shield for your plants. Take 5 to 10 plain wooden toothpicks and dip them lightly in neem oil. This step adds an extra layer of natural pest protection since neem repels ants, aphids, and many soil pests. Now push the toothpicks halfway into the soil around your plant, spacing them about 2 inches apart. As they break down, they release a woody scent pests dislike, while forming tiny barriers around your seedlings. Next, crush 1 fresh garlic clove and bury small pieces between the toothpicks. Garlic has a strong natural smell that repels ants, slugs, aphids, and even helps prevent fungal issues. With toothpicks, garlic, and neem oil working together, your plants get triple protection. All organic, all natural. Try this easy hack today and watch your garden thrive. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more hidden gardening tricks.